Hey guys, I'm at 7 Lemay Place. Let's take a walk through. Having an open house here today, and while there's nobody here, might as well go ahead and do a quick video. So as you enter the front entrance here, off to the right you have a formal dining area. And then right here off to the left as you enter is a little flex room, which they've set it up as a little sitting area for the kids, and got some of their movies over there, TV. Some people set this up as a office area or just another little sitting area. Main living room is here. Nice good size living room. Vaulted ceilings. It's got some nice high ceilings. Does have a split plan, so the master bedroom is off to the far right side of the house, and you've got 3 more guest rooms on this side of the house. Let's go take a look at the guest rooms real quick. So this couple has 3 children. Got one of the boys' rooms here. You notice all the flooring is the luxury vinyl. A lot of people are going to that today. And you got the girls' room here. Nice fans in all the rooms. Windows for added light. This is the kids' guest bathroom. Small linen closet right here off the bathroom. And then we got the baby's room. It's the new little boy. It's his room. All good size rooms. Like I said, all on this side of the house, which is nice. Keep the kids all on one side. Take you over here and check out the kitchen. They've redone the kitchen, added some granite, stainless appliances, new lighting, white vinyl cabinets, small backsplash area. Again, you do have a little eat-in kitchen nook here. Outside little barbecue area. Get another view from the off of the breakfast nook into the living room. And then off the kitchen here, you've got the laundry room. Full-size laundry room. It's got some shelving here. There also is a small little closet here. Keep some mops and miscellaneous items. Off the laundry room is a garage. Again, lots of kids, lots of toys. And then into your master bedroom here. Nice big master bedroom. And you've got your master bath, which is just a big walk-in shower, double vanity. Got your his and her little vanity here. New lighting. You've got a his and her closet off of the shower here. Big walk-in. And then you got the other, her closet. Plenty of room, plenty of shelving. Hope I'm not going too fast for you. Separate toilet room. It's always nice. Then again, I got the shades a little closed, but plenty of windows, plenty of natural lighting. Now let's take a quick look outside. My customer built a nice wood deck out here with a little table, entertaining area with a grill. So it's very nice. Got your wood deck, grill area. He's got his little canoe back here also. Nice yard. There is room for a pool if you decided to go ahead and add a little pool here. The shed does convey. That will stay. So if you got lawn equipment, some gardening tools, you'd keep them out here. And that's just a quick wrap up of the house. Any questions or more information, you can email me at darren@palmwestrealty.com. Thank you.